tuning into my Bollywood body. मैं आपका होस्ट सनी and we are back with Jen Toro Fit. इनका नाम है Jennifer, also known as Jen Toro Fit, also known as Bhabhi. Bhabhi because of the fact कि हमारे जो भैया हैं कैमरे के पीछे, I'm trying my really best to incorporate his relationship to you as well, and you know I call him my brother, so I turned you into his wife. I didn't want to say sister-in-law, so I turned you into his wife. So guys, आज जो exercise हम आपसे share कर रहे हैं, it's an ab workout. बेताशा ही लड़कियां जब हमने जेनिफर के साथ वीडियोस डालना शुरू की, a lot of ladies started asking, oh my god, you know, she's so toned, she looks perfect, so what kind of an ab workout she does? So we thought about, you know, how can we come up with a perfect lie how to do these workouts. So we put together a crazy ab workout for you, a great exercise for beginners. Beginners के लिए exercise है, okay, you need to understand that you will never lose fat from stomach just by working out. What they do is they stabilize your core, they build strength, endurance, overall आपकी toning में ये help करते हैं. You'll have a good core belt, आपकी back ठीक हो जाएगी, आपको exercise करने में problem नहीं होगी. As long as your diet is on point, you'll always be able to see that toned, petite, you know, the curvy look, the ab look. But if your diet is not on point, you'll never be able to build the abs. So Jennifer, we're going to start off. We're going to do a mini circuit for you, 5 to 6 exercises. और आपने इसके 6 set लगाने हैं. हमने आपको एक set करके दिखाना है. So let's get going, girl. पहली एक्सरसाइज जो हम कर रहे हैं, it's called a plank. Let's go. So मैं चाहता हूँ आप 30 सेकंड के लिए plank बने. So your shoulders should be aligned. Here we go. Elbows and shoulders should be aligned. Feet tucked in. Pressure should be on your stomach. अब आप वो वाले muscle use करें जब आप खांसते हैं. I want you to cough for a bit. So you use the same, what kind of cough was that? Like do a proper, like here we go. That was like a white people cough. Excuse me. So when you become a plank, the idea is you use the same muscle जो कि आप खांसते हुए use करते हैं. So all the pressure would stay. So this is more like a warm-up exercise just to get your core going, some blood and oxygen to the muscle. 30-second plank. Pehli exercise. Let's get going, girl. I want you to lay down straight. On your back. Now I want you to do 20 curl-ups. Pehli exercise, आपने 30-second plank, right away you're going to do 20 curl-ups in 1. So curl-ups is never do a proper crunch as a beginner क्योंकि आपको पूरा आगे जाना पड़ेगा, आपको बैक में चोट लग सकती है, आपको चुक पड़ सकती है, आपकी बैक खिंच सकती है, आपको डिस्क्स की प्रॉब्लम पड़ सकती है अगर आपका कोर वीक है. So this is great. You come up, squeeze your gut, come down. Here we go. Up, squeeze, stretch. Up, squeeze, stretch. Whenever you're coming up, I want you to breathe out, girl, and that's about it. So पहली exercise आपने क्या की? 30-second plank. Second exercise, you're doing 20 curl-ups. Third exercise, we're going to do 30-second V-sit hold. So this is a V-sit hold. Again, आपने टांगे सीधी रखी हुई हैं, hands are up, all the pressure is right in the center. Bend your legs a little bit. So as bend. If you cannot do it, let's say आप कहते हो यार सनी भाई, I cannot do a proper V-sit hold, bend your legs. It will divide your weight into half. That's it. Drop. 30 seconds. So 30-second plank, 20 curl-ups, 30-second V-sit hold. Now I want you to do 20. Let's go. Perfect. 1 V crunches. So हमने क्या किया, आपने देखें पहले आपको प्लैंक से स्टेबलाइज कराया, उसके बाद दूसरी एक्सरसाइज कराई, फिर हमने आपको V से होल्ड से स्टेबलाइज कराया. Now you're doing 20, what is it called? V crunches. Yeah, I always mess up. It's, see, the thing is, appa desi bande paji appa exercise nu different jana dinne champu chadappa. Like when I'm shooting with Jennifer, she comes up with all these blonde names. Like I have no idea what they are. That's why I have to ask them what they're called. So you're gonna do 20 V crunches. Once that is done, let's go side plank. अब आपने क्या किया, आप देखो planks. Go ahead. So planks जब आप बने, आपने अपने पेट को warm up किया, ठीक है. उसके बाद आपने कर्ल अप्स किए, so you hit your abs ऊपर से. उसके बाद जब आपने V सेट होल्ड किया, आपने नीचे से अपने abs को टाइट किया. उसके बाद जब आपने V क्रंचेस किए, you know नीचे से टांगे ऊपर आ रही हैं, so you are targeting the lower part of your stomach. Now अब आपने अपर से भी ऊपर से भी अपने पेट को टारगेट किया है, नीचे से भी पेट को टारगेट किया. अब आपकी साइड जो लव हैंडल्स हैं वो रह गए. A great exercise to target, to fire up जो आपके obliques हैं, जो sides हैं, जहाँ पे आपकी लव के प्यार के कुंडे निकले होते हैं. 30-second. Now flip the other way. So 30-second each side. Now another thing I wanted to mention is, let's say if you are new and you cannot do it, I want you to put your foot here. 1 foot here, 1 foot there. Go up. So this way you are dividing your weight into half. अगर आप दोनों पैर एक दूसरे के ऊपर रखेंगे, सारा प्रेशर जो है वो आपके ओब्लिक्स पे आएगा. Whereas इस तरह आप अपने वेट को डिवाइड कर लेंगे, keeping it straight, all the pressure is on the sides. That's about it. So that's your last exercise. So again, this is a mini circuit. 3 से 4 मिनट के अंदर आप एक सेट फिनिश कर सकते हैं. And I want you to do a set, take about a minute break, do another set. 6 sets all together. You can try doing it week में 1 से 2 बार, maybe up to 3 times depending आपके पास कितना टाइम है. But most importantly, if your diet is on point, इस किस्म के वर्कआउट डेफिनेटली लेडीज और लड़कों को टोन करने में, पेट से आपका फैट कम करने में, एब्स टोनिंग के अंदर, you know, overall आप स्ट्रेंथनिंग में बहुत काम करते हैं. Jennifer, would you like to add something in English, which is the hard part?
I think overall just working, doing a circuit like that is going to strengthen your core. Just make sure that your form is proper and that you're breathing.
Here we go. It took us very long time to convince each other that we're going to lie on camera. Like a professional, like a pro liar. Guys, make sure you follow her on Instagram at jentorofit.com.